Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time of stopping by. Hi, nice meeting you for the first time. So in today's video, we'll be talking about ways that you can make money online, especially in this sewing industry. If it's something you are interested in, please keep watching and let's get into the video. But before we go into that, let me introduce myself. In this channel, we do video tutorial on styles for children mostly, then adult styles as well, ranging from gown to jumpsuit to playsuit to romper to PJs, anything at all. If it's something you're interested in, please click on the subscribe button and join the green family. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into the video. And the first place or the first way to make money online is through pattern drafting. Yes, you if you are good in your pattern drafting, you are good in drafting patterns like that manipulations and all of that. You can just do your pattern drafting, already made pattern drafting, and you then sell it online in different platforms, in different social media platforms, even on Amazon as well. You can sell your pattern drafting in Amazon, on eBay. Just register your store and you then start selling. Another place you can sell this and make a good cash if you're already monetized in YouTube, you can as well open your online store on your YouTube, your online store like Fourth Wall, your Shopify, your Spring Store, any of them, or even all of them, and many more of them. You can open your store and sell your done drafting or your already drafted pattern of a style of or basic bodies, something like that, and you can sell it and make good. Another way of making money online is by selling your already made products or already made design styles. For me, I have so many tutorials which you guys know of in this channel already. And the tutorials I've been making, I buy materials for it and I so make the clothes as well. So once I am done making the clothes, what I do is to sell them. Is either I sell to the people around me, the physical people around me, or as well online. And recently I opened a store on my YouTube channel. You can see it. You can see an icon that shows store on my page. Please, when you click on it, I recently opened it, so I have just two styles there. I recently opened it, and which I am going to upload more styles moving forward. So when you click on such store, you will see the already made items, already made clothes, or whatever you are selling, even if affiliate items there. What you have to do is to upload it there. It mustn't all this all these styles, you must not make them with expensive fabric. You can get cheaper ones. The only thing is do not overprice it. That do not make the price of the product more than the fabric and the and your workmanship. Is that right? That's what we call it, right? That's your the charges that you're going to take whenever you finish making a product. But for me, I make mine to be as low as possible because I don't want the clothes to be stacked up on my house. So I make it as low as possible so I can sell it out easily. But just do yours, make yours as cheap or as expensive as possible. Another way you can make money online is by selling sewing equipment. I have seen so many online vendors selling sewing equipment, which I have gotten some things from them. The first sewing machine that I used, I got it from an online vendor on Instagram. And I got it from her and it served me, it's still serving me well. If you've been following me from the beginning of this channel, you will see the first machine that I use, a white tabletop. That's the machine I am talking about. And as of today, it's still there. I still have it, just that I can't use it for thicker fabrics, but it's still there, it's still doing well. Aside selling sewing equipment, which you can sell whether online or offline. Another way you can make money through selling equipment, that's if you can afford to buy your equipment yourself or your fabrics or whatever you want to sell, you can as well go into affiliate marketing from Amazon, from eBay, from even from um wholesalers around you. You can do drop shipping from them. It's another way of doing affiliate marketing in a different form, when you look at getting a link of a product that is willing to give you a commission of any product that you sell, and you upload it, and then whenever there is any purchase, they give a particular commission. Why drop shipping is okay, is going to add whatever profit that you want to make, sell that item. Once the item is being sold, the owner, the original owner of the item, is going to take her own price that he already pasted on the item, and then give you the percentage that you added to it. So that's the only way it's different. So if you're not ready to go into affiliate marketing, you can as well do drop shipping. Another way to make money online, and also this one you can use it as offline as well, is through consultation. When I say consultation, I mean there is different ways to consult for people in the sewing industry. One is analyzing a style for a client, or for a seamstress, for a fashion designer. That's breaking down styles for them. There's some styles that you see to be more complete, so complicated that you wonder how it is being done. So if you are into consultation, all you have to do is to break down the pattern, the style for the seamstress or the fashion designer, to be easier for them to understand and also to make. Another way to consult for a fashion industry in a fashion industry is fabric advice. There are some styles that you want to make, and you discover that the fabric that you want to use, it won't work. So you need an advice, or for the fabric to a perfect fabric to use. I believe even I myself have been in that situation of wondering what kind of fabric to use on this style for it to come out very well. There's some fabric that you will use, and you discover that is not giving you what you want. In fact, it won't give you the idea that you have in your mind. It's more like what I ordered versus what I got, because you did not use the right fabric. So that's another way of consulting for a fashion industry. Another area is styling and fitting. Yes, styling and fitting is different from sewing for your clients. For example, when I and my sister went for her wedding fitting, should I call it fitting? Yeah. So the woman that we got the wedding gown from was saying that if we want her to come on the wedding day, for her to help her put on the clothes and then arrange everything, tie the lace her up, because it was a corset, that we are going to pay her extra money. I think she said something about 20,000 or so, 20,000 naira. So you see, it's another way of making money, apart from the area of hiring wedding gown that she's already doing, and every other hiring stuff that she was doing. Another way she was getting money as well is through styling and fitting. So once she comes on that day, you're going to pay her extra money for coming on that day and to helping you fit the clothes. I don't know if you guys will understand me. So that's another way of adding consultation to the work. Is another part of consulting consultation. And another way of making money online, especially in this sewing industry, is through online classes. Yeah, online classes. I wish we are looking into to start very soon on in this channel. I don't know if it's something that you guys will like, but we are looking forward. We are making plans on starting it soon, especially on ball gowns, because I noticed that a lot of people are finding it difficult to navigate their ways on ball gown, how to make it fuller, how to attach their zip perfectly how to even to take measurement for ball gowns. So we are looking forward to starting ball gown tutorial online classes very soon. So if it's something that you're interested, you can as well start it. Another way to make money online is, apart from online classes, you can online classes mustn't be on YouTube. It can be on Telegram, it can be on WhatsApp, depending on how large your audience are. And these tutorials, most times you don't have to keep creating videos for each classes. You can just use one video and do the other one. The only thing you have to do is to maybe make some adjustment to it, and you are good to go. Then another way to make money apart from online classes, you can start your tutorial on YouTube. Yes, YouTube is another paying platform that you can use. But the only thing is YouTube requires hard work and consistency and dedication. So if you are not ready for that, please advise you don't go into YouTube, please. But if you are caught up, if you have the energy, the time, the willing, the zeal, whatever to start YouTube, you can as well start creating YouTube creating videos on YouTube. And by the time before you know it, you start making money. And one good thing about YouTube is once your channel is monetized, even videos that you made 10 years ago will most likely to continue getting you incomes. So far people are still watching the videos. So that's a few ways you can make money online, especially in this sewing industry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up to this on this video. Watch my other videos, my tutorials, and I'll bring more of tutorial going forward. If this kind of video is what if things that you like or you want me to share more light on, please leave a comment below and I'll bring more of it to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.